Hello, this is Queenie, and today I will talk about blood type diet. The blood type diet has been discussed for a long time. This series shows that type A is the plant-based blood and the diet should be the plant-centric. They are not allowed to eat red meat. Type B is a cardinal man and should eat most plants, meats, and dairy products. Type AB is a mixture of type A and type B. They eat seafood, dairy products, beans, and greens, but they need to avoid eating beef and chicken. Finally, type O is called a hunter. They eat diet high in protein and meat, but they need to stay away from the dairy products, beans, and greens. This series seems reasonable. In the early years, when the conditions for the scientific research were limited, it was indeed prized by everyone. But with the development of time, until the healthy effects of the blood type diet has been substantiated, the widespread claims should be clarified, so that consumers are aware that the advertised healthy benefits are theoretical and not supported by the scientific evidence. But this series is not useless. It has some similarities with the weight loss diet. Weight loss refers to behaviors aimed at reducing excess body and fat weight. The healthy consequence of too many or too few calories threaten to overwhelm the resources of the individual's, family's healthy care systems. Regarding the method of the weight loss, the goal of it can achieved through the diet structure. Regarding to the diet structure, first we need to control the staple food and pay attention to the combination of thickness. Encourage the intake of the various vegetables and lean meats, and also drinking daily 1.5 liters of water. According to the survey by the World Health Organization, a healthy adult woman consumes 1,800 to 1,900 calories per day, and man consumes 1,980 to 2,340 calories per day. Daily calories intake during weight loss can reduce 100 to 200 calories. Compared with the blood type diet, emphasize the diversification of the diet and ensure the intake of the greens, vegetables, and high protein meat to ensure the human body need. However, each type of blood lacks one or more type of food and lacks certain nutritional intake. Regarding to the physical activity, people can try exercise. Through the exercise, strengthen the dimension for the physical activity and improve the level of the activities. The process of digestion starts in the mouth. The food enters the mouth and is chewed by the teeth. From large pieces to small pieces, it enters the stomach through the pharynx and esophagus. The food is stored and stirred. After pepsin broke down the protein and absorbed a small amount, it enters the small intestine, and the whole digestion process. Among them, protease decompose the protein, invertase decompose the saccharide, amylase that decompose the starch, and polysaccharide. Lipase decompose the fat, and nuclease decompose the nucleic acid. After blood is broken down into small molecules, they are absorbed in the small and large intestine. Vascular lymph is distributed in the intestine, and small molecular nutrients such as saccharide and amino acid will transported through the vascular lymph. After passing through the vein, it reaches the hepatic protovein and then enters the liver. After conversion, the carbohydrate, amino acid, and fatty acid, they are transported through the whole body through the blood circulation. The oxidation reaction of these substances in the life activity of the human body will generate energy. According to the principle of human biology, when the human body gets more energy than they need, the body converts the excess calories into fat for storage in adipose tissue, muscle tissue, and liver. When the energy gained from eating is not enough to support the consumption, during the human activity in the future, the spare material and energy in the body will transform and meet the activity needs. Weight loss method will not affect the normal metabolic process. When indicated that energy balance may best achieved by consuming an energy-appropriate, low-fat diet complemented by enduring exercise. In terms of diet, reasonable control of daily intake, calorie, and food type to ensure the daily basic energy needs of the human body. When you start doing exercise to lose weight, the free fatty acid and glucose in body are consumed, providing calories to muscle tissue of exercise and increasing the body metabolic rate so that more energy are consumed at the same behavior at the same time. When through the exercise, daily energy consumptions are greater than gain, weight loss will begin. The weight loss of the blood type diet is beneficial to the human health. According to the research, obesity is associated with the type 2 diabetes, hypertension, and hyperlipidemia. Modest weight loss has been shown to have the benefit effects on these cardiovascular risks effects and to improve the risk factor cholesterol. Reasonable weight loss can prevent the hypertension, high blood sugar before the occurrence of the disease, improve the self-confidence and the life effects, and reduce the occurrence of the depression. But people should not limited by the blood type to choose the type of the food. According to the principle of the blood type diets, the food structure corresponding to each blood type has one or more type of food missing, which will cause nutritional imbalance. On the contrary, accept the recepts of the whole blood types. They contain all elements of the healthy diet and achieve the healthy diet with the balanced nutritional. At the same time, pay attention on the exercise. Maintaining the regular exercise is beneficial to keep the long-term physical healthy.